Two similarities between Nordic myths and the myths and gods of other people.
There is one thing you could say is, for example, that if you look at the days of the week, the way that we in Europe have named the days of the week, there seem to be in the Germanic languages and in the Latin languages, those two are translated between each other. So, for example, you have Tuesday in English, Tuesday in Danish. So Tyr or Tyr is the god of war. What you have in Romanian, for example, you have Mars, which is named after Mars, who is the god of war. Then you have Wednesday, named after Woden. In Anglo-Saxon, he's called Woden. In the Scandinavian languages, he's called Odin. So it's Odin's Day. Wednesday is Odin's Day. It's called, for example, in Romanian, in the Latin languages, in Romanian it's called Miercuri, which is named after Mercury. What is Mercury about? Mercury is about going beyond boundaries, crossing over, and this is exactly what Odin is about. So the Romans, they translated Odin into Mercury, and the days of the week became like that. So that's one similarity, because it goes all the way. You have also Jupiter's day, Joy, which is Thor's day in the Germanic languages. Then you have another similarity, could be, for example, in Egyptian mythology, you have the struggle where Seth kills his brother Osiris and fights against Horus, his nephew. So you have this motif of the evil brother of the king who is plotting the downfall of the kingdom, and then when he fights him, then the king loses an eye, or in this case it was the eye of Horus. In Nordic mythology, you have Loki, who is the blood brother of Odin, who is sort of sometimes on the side of the gods, sometimes on the side of the giants, but at the end, at Ragnarok, he is on the side of the giants, and he is the agent that instigates the beginning of the end of the world, the beginning of Ragnarok. And one of his sons is the wolf, Fenrir, who swallows the sun and the moon, the sun, and he swallows Odin, just to bring the point home. So Odin's eye, Odin's eye is the sun. So it's again the same motif of